Hey, where you going, boy? That don't look like no baller's OG to me. You better not be fucking when I get there, Chop. Shit, Chop. Man, that's a dude, dog. Your little nasty ass ain't picky, is you? It's not the time, Chop. We gotta go. Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy? Come on, man, back to business. Get the bad guy. Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he? Your ass caught. You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit! Screw that dog, man! Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop.
Fuck you, you son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man!
Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here.
Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF.
Because maybe we doing our own thing.
What the fuck, man?
Fuck the fan, Paul. Shit.
Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga?
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in.
Yeah, that's you, nigga.
Fucking idiot.
Shit, I said I had no beef, man.
Shut the fuck
Hey,
up.
man, what the
Watch
fuck?
it, boy.
Get this fucking dog away from me.
Come on.
Fuck!
Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost